Hey, to cast the YouTube application from your Google Pixel 8a to your TV, all you have to do is just to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network on both devices. So I'm connected to my network on the phone and on the TV. Then we have to open the YouTube application, accept all of these permissions, and now we have to click on this icon. Then we have to just wait until our TV pops on the list, and all you have to do is just to select your TV from this list and accept the connection with your remote controller. But if for some reason your TV is not detected, you will have to select this second function, link with TV code. And now all we have to do is just to open the YouTube application on our TV. Then on our YouTube TV application, we have to go to the settings and then scroll down a little bit to find this function, link with a TV code. And when we open this, we'll actually get the blue TV code, and we have to input this code right here, the same code that actually appears on the TV. And then when the code will be correct, we can click link, and on 100% you will be connected. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.